Sa naging pagpapatuloy o ikatlong araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte at kaugnay doon sa mga aligasyon laban kay Vice President Duterte ay pinagsabihan ni Senator Pia Cayetano ang panig ng prosekusyon kaugnay ng paghahanda at pagharap ng testigo at mga ebidensya sa impeachment court. Kailangan naman na kumpletong documentation at tao na magsasalaysay ay dapat na may tiyak ng kabatiran sa usaping binabanggit ng naturang individual. Narito ang bahagi ng pagharap. Itong si Senator Judge Pia Cayetano.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the rules of evidence are very clear. You either present a witness who provides your testimony or you present a document. And in terms of documents, Rule 132, Section 19 says there are two classes of documents, public documents and private documents. Included in public documents are documents acknowledged before a notary public. Yung pinakitang document is not acknowledged by a notary public. Pwede naman din ang private documents, that's the other class, if it can be shown and authenticated in any of the following manner. The person saw the document executed or written. Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
Your Honor, we can...
No, please answer my question.
No, Your Honor.
The next manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. The defense said ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
You present a document.
Lagi yan mga kabombo ng pagtatanong nitong si Senator Judge Pia Cayetano kay Lead Prosecutor Jervy Luistro. Maging ang mismo ang Senate leadership at presiding officer ay napagbalingan din ng naturang senadora. Para kay Cayetano, may mga bagay na pinapayagan ng impeachment court na hindi na nararapat dahil sa pagiging maluwag ng ilang mga patakaran dito, kabilang na ang para sa mga ebidensya at testimonya. Hindi naman ito sinopla ng presiding officer na si Chis Escudero abang sinubukang sumagot ni Representative Jervy Luistro, ngunit hindi siya pinayagan kaugnay ng naturang pahayag. Narito ang pagpapatuloy ng pag-isa nito si Senator Judge Pia Cayetano.
By other evidence showing its due execution and authenticity, did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. They're trying to prove something by showing a document that any law student, even yung mga kababayan natin na nakikinig na ngayon na ang dami ng alam sa procedure, will tell you na hindi acceptable yon. And with all due respect, katulad din nung kahapon na humingi ako ng payo sa inyo, again, I will not name names, we had a discussion in caucus na you cannot unsee what you see. You cannot unhear what you hear. So pinalabas yun. Wala akong problema na palabasin yun, pero do your job and present the proper witness and the proper documentation to do that. Do your job. I'm addressing this, Mr. Presiding Officer, to us as a body. Kasi hindi tama yun. Magdidesisyon tayo, you warn us, pero pinabayaan natin na makita yun. Minamarkahan pa, submarkings. What's the purpose of all that?
May I respond, Your Honor?
Not really.
I don't believe
because
there was
I already
a question.
I already asked you the questions and you had a chance to respond.
Yan mga kabombo, mga Kastar Nation, ang naging mainitang palitan ng salita. Kaugnay, doon pa rin sa pagpresenta ng mga ebidensya at testigo, batay na rin dito sa pagtatanong ni Senator Judge Pia Cayetano para sa panig ng prosekusyon.